Yeah, and in fact, let's do this. So you can see the set of fields we have here. I just did, select star. Let's add a new one. Like we got a new data source. Let's add it in here. So I'm going to add in hobbies. So in addition to domains and gender and all this stuff, we're going to have a set field with hobbies in it. And there we can see it is added. Here's hobby. We got seashell collecting, BMX, whittling. Why not? All kinds of good hobbies in here. And we can even do stuff like, I'm going off script, top K on the hobby field. And let me limit this to 10. What are the top hobbies? Lego building. Who knew? It's incredibly popular. What should we filter this on?
Let's see. So I like this set field and like showing the powerful, like how powerful that is. So if you remember the set field, it's like you can store multiple values within one field, but when you do this top K query, can you tell me like what is it actually pulling back? Like I'm not seeing the combination, like in a traditional database, if that was stored in one column, like you couldn't parse it out without doing some more processing on it.
Right. Yeah. So this is showing the number of people who individually like Lego building. Like it's one of the set of things that they like. It's not the only one necessarily. And to demonstrate that, I'll do a top K on hobbies and I'll filter it by a particular hobby. So this is going to filter down to only people who like cricket, but show us the other hobbies that they like. Right. And I mean, this is ridiculously fast. Like this was the problem that we built this technology to solve. And it's just absolutely insane that it can do this.